I'd like to introduce the Honorable Alitia Bainivalu, who is the Minister of Fisheries and Forestry of Fiji. Minister Bainivalu, Fiji is also a very key member and active member of the Ocean Panel. You've emphasized the importance of collaboration with plantation companies, landowner groups, and various stakeholders to drive sustainable fisheries development in Fiji. Can you share a specific example where collaborative efforts have led to significant progress or innovation in the sector? And how do you envision strengthening these partnerships further?
Thank you, Moderator. Excellencies and ladies and gentlemen, very good morning, good afternoon to you all. Fiji, a small island state with less than 1 million population, is very dependent on tourism and the fisheries sector for their livelihood. And I think collaboration is one of very important aspect of moving things forward, not only for government, but also for the communities in trying to make things work at the various levels. So one of the examples that I'd like to share with you this afternoon is the establishment of the Tavarua Island Marine Reserve. This was recently gazetted by government, and this area had been conserved back in 1995. The partnership of this the management of the Tavarua Island Reserve is between the communities, the fishing right owners, and the Tavarua Island Resort. I know most of you like surfing. Most of you have been to Tavarua, but if you haven't, please visit Tavarua Island. So the protection of this the Marine Island Reserve in Tavarua has been very important in that it provides employment for our locals, and it also protects some of the endangered marine species that are listed in CITES Appendix 2. And out of the arrangement, or out of the establishment of the Marine Reserve, the traditional owners of this fishing area will be able to receive compensation in the form of snorkeling fees, mooring fees, or any other sporting activities that will occur in this marine reserve. So also this is also a significant achievement for us back in Fiji, because it also contributes to the 30 by 30 commitment of government. We are still in the process of finalizing our commitment towards the 30 by 30. There are other sites in Fiji that have been identified that could be potential site and also contribute to the commitment. But going back to the question or the concept of collaboration, it is very important for a small island like Fiji, and even at community level, I think in order to move things forward for the communities, because their livelihood depend on fish and fishing, it is always important to have a good foundation of a strong leadership and trust in the village. Only then can communities, move things forward and make things happen in terms of protecting the fisheries at the community level.
Thank you very much, Minister, for sharing those lessons with us, and the importance of how policy also needs to take into effect our communities and our villagers who can then be more effective in protecting the ocean.